Here we go. JHerrman. Couple boxes of Origins 13 and 14. First couple from the case, so let's get this party started. Good luck, brother. It's the new stuff. Pulled some sick cards tonight already from this. We're looking for Dolphins. Looking for Dolphins. Alright, we got a redemption. So first up, Torrey Smith, that's your parallel. Jameis Winston and Rob Gronkowski. Numbered to 150, Tony Romo. Your relic card, 4 color to 25. Oh, jersey numbered. Cardell Jones. Jeez, nice Big B. Wow. For a non-auto. Heck yeah. Wendell Smallwood, rookie autograph. And your redemption. Rookie jumbo patch auto, Mr. Kevin Hogan for the Chiefs. This one's a little heavier, but it could just mean that there's no redemption. I can't tell if it's like crate. Uh-oh. Booklet. Origins booklet. There it is. Oh, it's the same. I don't know if it means anything, but it's the same color as the dual auto one we pulled earlier. The other ones were different colors. Let's see what happens here. Steve Smith as your parallel. Then we've got Andy Dalton and Amari Cooper. Numbered to 60, Dez Bryant. Dez Bryant to 60. Next, 3-color jumbo patch to 49, Will Fuller. Next, Moritz Boringer, 2-color rookie patch auto. And let's just hold it this way. There's really not a bad book. Disgusting. Rookie patch auto, 21 of 25, Michael Thomas for the Saints. Beautiful. B. Collins is like, yes, please. Wow. To 25, those are the rookie patch auto booklets. Those are sick. So sick. Jeff, there you have it, brother.